How do you preview your iPhone in a PC? So let me show you the option which I like to use. If it's your first time here, subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, personally, I like to use my MacBook, and in there we have some built-in screen mirroring features which work okay, right? But it's obviously between Apple devices. If you have, for example, like a Windows PC, then it is a little bit of a different story. And that's why we need to actually check out a different third-party app. And there is a service which is called A Power Mirror. There are actually more of those similar services, but that's the one I personally tried and used myself. So I can say that it gets the job done. And you can download it on both the PC as well as your iPhone. And it takes a little while to set up. It's not going to be as, simple as just clicking one button. So it might take a while, but it will most definitely work. And you just can set up the screen mirroring from the iPhone to the Windows PC like that using the local casting, right? So you just share it over the local network and you'll be able to basically see everything that's going on the iPhone, and it will appear on the screen of your PC, right? So obviously, as I said, you have to download it on both platforms and set it up the proper way. But once you do, you'll be able to see everything that's happening on the screen of the iPhone. So just a quick tip right there. Let me know if you managed to make it work and successfully run it on your setup on your devices. But that would be about it for me. I really appreciate you sticking till the end. I would also appreciate your feedback. So hit the thumbs up if it worked and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.